No matter how good is the home environment, at the age of 2.5 years, the child must be exposed to the school environment, because definitely the child is going to benefit a lot from its environment. I'm Anjana, principal at the Bharat Academy Elements. Early exposure of the child affects all stages of development. The first 6 years of the child is so very important, we all know. The absorbent mind, the sponge we compare it to. The learning of any concept is very well documented and articulated here at Elements. One of our main goals is to make the child's transition from home to preschool as positive as possible. Parents or caregivers are equally valued partners in our learning journey. At Elements Preschool, we try developing children into well-rounded individuals, both personally and academically, trying to balance between academics, sports, life skills, values, and definitely some fun activities. It's our utmost concern to create a happy, secure, stable environment for the child to be happy learners.
Well, about Elements, which is our preschool, I don't have to speak much. When you enter the school, when you see the environment, when you see such a happy, safe and a beautiful environment which is designed for children starting from the age of 8 months to 6 years, you will realize what it is all about. And there are different age groups of children working together. So there's a 1-year-old working with a 3-year-old or a 5-year-old at different stations. So we have a creative station, we have a storytelling session, we have a sensorial room, a toddler room, and so on. So it's beautifully designed, and again it's a different methodology of Montessori and Waldorf method, which is a lot of thematic based play way of teaching. So in short, I would like to say at Elements or our preschool, it is learning to play, and at our primary and middle school, it is playing to learn. Learn to play, play to learn.
The curriculum at Elements is a blend of the Montessori and Waldorf models. It is offered at a pace at which the child learns. Combining elements from both Waldorf and Montessori is the perfect blend of yin and yang for children, particularly in early childhood. Each child's strengths and weaknesses are continually assessed, and their individual education focuses on assisting them to improve on weaker areas and encouraging them to develop their strengths. Finally, respect for the environment and for each other is a central message for all children throughout the school. The Montessori method encourages the child to enjoy the process of learning. It does not introduce the competitive drive of other curriculum and yet leads each child to develop their full potential. Waldorf schools integrate arts in all academic disciplines for children from preschool, a focus on well-oriented physical activity in the first 3 years, imaginative play in the middle years of early education, and later a more cognitive approach to learning.
Early childhood education is an essential stage of a child's life in terms of physical, emotional, social and intellectual development. It is the time when child needs high quality of personal care and learning. Early childhood education plays important role in shaping young minds early with important skills that will help them be successful in their educational careers. Early childhood education focuses on learning through play. A child's curiosity and imagination naturally evokes learning. Children learn through interacting with materials and interacting with their peer groups. Thus, children learn more effectively and gain more knowledge.
In TBA Elements, it's time for children to get creative in the art class. Here they enjoy playing with clay, painting, Legos, blocks and pottery.